Welcome to Xrero Real Estate. Let's dive in. Xrero Real Estate is where you manage your whole property business in one place. Your projects and buildings, every unit you rent or sell, your lease contracts and rent collection, your property sales, maintenance jobs, and the landlords, brokers, and customers you work with. Every screen is reached from the menu bar at the top of the app. The statistics dashboard is your one-page overview of the whole portfolio. The cards at the top count your inventory and contacts. The sections below break down properties and contracts by status, and a map plots your available units across the UAE. A project is a development or building, for example, a residential tower. A subproject is a phase, tower, or cluster inside it. A region is the top geographic grouping, typically an emirate or district, such as Dubai Marina. Open Properties Regions. Click New, give it a name, and attach its cities. The lead screen is your inquiry pipeline. When someone is interested in a unit, whether they walked in, called, or submitted the online form, Chapter 14, log it here as a lead, link to the property they're interested in, and whether it's a rent or sale inquiry. A lease contract records who is renting which unit, for how long, at what rent, with what deposit, and which broker. The selling flow takes a unit from a booking, advance, to a confirmed sale with an installment plan. A sale contract has 3 stages: booked, sold, or refund if the deal falls through. The customer screen lists your tenants and buyers. Each is a contact with a user type set to customer. From a customer, you can see their rent contracts and purchases. A landlord is the owner of a property, the party you rent or sell on behalf of. Landlords are contacts with user type landlord. Use maintenance to log and bill repair jobs on your units. Raise a request from the property's maintenance request button or from the maintenance's menu. Set the type, e.g. electrical, plumbing, structural, and the cost, and track it through the standard stages. New request and progress repaired. 2 Excel reports summarize your business. Both open a small wizard where you choose what to include, then download a formatted workbook. Set these up once so they're ready when you create projects, units, and contracts. Xrero Real Estate includes a public, customer-facing property catalog on your website. Glossary. The unit must be available and set to property for equals rent. For a sale unit, press sale first, then create booking. That is Xrero Real Estate. Start your free trial today.